What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage man back on another video, and today I know you read the title, you seen the thumbnail, we about to get all into it in just a second, but I don't know how I forgot to mention that Travis Scott's birthday is also today, so it only makes sense for the timer to end with them shock dropping the Air Max Travis Scott 270s. I had to add that on top of the video that I just shot. I don't know how I forgot it, man, but happy birthday to Travis Scott. Y'all stay tuned for this possible shock drop. If I'm wrong, but I'm highly thinking that this is right. I think that they will do a shock drop of some sort. You never know what sneakers they might do, but of course the Air Max 270s did get pushed back from April the 10th to May 1st. It is not confirmed on the sneakers app. It's on Sneaker Bar Detroit. It's on a couple of these different cook groups, but I'm gonna drop all the details, all the gems into this video. So stay tuned for the whole thing, especially if you really want these Travis Scott Air Max 270s, man. I'm trying to help you guys out. You help me out. If you got any updated information, let me know down below in the comment section and help your boy out. Like I said, subscribe right now, like the video. I'm gonna say this all again in about 10 seconds, but I appreciate all of the support, man. 30K grind on the way. Let's get it. What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage man back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about the upcoming Travis Scott Air Max 270s that are supposed to be dropping in a couple of days, man. I just got some updated information from Sneaker Bar Detroit and one of my fellow sneakerheads. So if you're new to the channel right now, what I need you guys to do is subscribe right now and ring notification bell for your boy so you never miss another video or live stream number drops on the channel. Like I told you guys in yesterday's video, I will be going live for the Air Jordan 5 Fire Red release. So like I said, have the notification bell on so you get notified as soon as we go live Saturday morning. And also, if you're watching this video right now, I need you guys to smack that like button and comment down below some cactus emojis if you're a big Travis Scott fan. And if you don't mind, please head over to IG, give your boy a follow at DeVintage World. Of course, it'll be linked down below in the description box. And with all that being said, let's jump right into this video. Alright, so as you guys do know, the Air Max 270 Travis Scott was supposed to release April the 10th, but due to everything that was going on, man, they pretty much pushed that release date back. And I was scrolling on Sneaker Bar Detroit, like I said, this is pretty much where I get all my information. And the new release date is supposed to be May the 1st. We might see this in the shock drop. And if you guys do not know, if you go to TravisScott.com, which I have on my iPad right now, you see a timer up here at the top of the screen. So after this video right now, I need you guys to stay tuned with that Travis Scott timer that is on his website, because that could possibly be the time that he do a shock drop for these Air Max 270 joints. If you guys do remember, they kind of did the same thing with the Air Jordan 1 high Travis Scotts that they put on his website. It was pretty much the timer that went down, and when it was all said and done, they had the Air Jordan 1 high Travis Scotts on his website. And this was before they even put them onto the sneakers app to try to cop them joints. I can definitely see them doing the same thing now, pretty much a shock drop on his website, and then probably not even adding the shoe onto the sneakers app maybe a day before, man. Like I said, it pretty much makes sense to me, and I know you guys are kind of catching where I'm going with this. So if you look at this timer, it's gonna lead all the way up to the end of Thursday and beginning of Friday, and that's where we might see that possible shock drop for these Air Max 270 joints. I know it's not set in stone, but I want you guys to be prepared if it is a shock drop for these Air Max 270s. Just looking at how they did the Air Jordan 1 highs with the Travis Scott website, it only makes sense for them to do the same thing for these Air Max 270s. It's a highly anticipated sneaker. And hell, what else is the timer counting down for? He pretty much dropped all his Fortnite merch and stuff like that. And from reliable sources like Sneaker Bar Detroit is saying that these joints are going to release May 1st. So they might do a shock drop on the Travis Scott website the day before. You guys know with the sneakers app, they usually don't even put a shoe on there maybe a week before. And if it's like an exclusive access sneaker or a shock drop sneaker, they probably won't drop that shoe until the day of, or maybe even a day before. So you just have to be prepared for these shock drops and stuff like that. And to better prepare yourself, man, I will definitely suggest you to go look out for some of these cook groups and stuff like that. A couple of cook groups have reached out to me to try to work with them and stuff like that so I can promote them. So hopefully I can collaborate with some of these cook groups to help you guys out, give you guys a discount code, unless you get a lot of information for some of these dope cook groups. So right now in the comment section below, man, let me know if you might be going after these joints. Do you think it will be a shock drop on Travis Scott website when this timer is up? Like I said, me looking back and seeing how they did the Air Jordan 1 highs, I definitely think they're going to do this for the Air Max 270s. Highly anticipated sneaker, and it only makes sense for them to do this release on the website before the actual release on the Nike sneakers app. Like I said, this stuff is not set in stone. It's just me bringing you guys information and me putting two and two together to try to help my subscribers out. But by all means, if you have any new information, updated information before this timer is up, you guys let me know down below in the comment section below, because not only is it going to help me, it's going to help everybody else that's watching the video. And I want to talk to you guys about a Travis Scott unboxing that I have coming very soon. I've had this package for over a week now. I cannot wait to show you guys what I copped. I had to get this Travis Scott back in the collection. If you guys do not know, I already had a pair of Air Jordan 4 Travis Scotts, had a pair of Air Jordan 1 low Travis Scotts, and I had a pair of Air Jordan 6 Travis Scotts as well, man. So you guys let me know right now in the comment section below which Travis Scott you think I have to unbox for you guys. I appreciate everybody tuning into this video. That's it for the updated news over these Air Max Travis Scott 270s. If you're a big Travis Scott fan, man, like I said, drop below some cactus emoji in the comment section. Subscribe if you have not subscribed already to the channel, man. Smash that like button, hit the notification bell for your boys so you never miss a video that drops on the channel. Like I said, this upcoming Saturday we're going live for the Air Jordan 5 by Red Live Cop. Head over to IG, give your boy a follow at DeVintage World. Of course, it'll be linked down below. And with all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.